Welcome to back my channel. Welcome to our review of the Land Rover Range Rover EV 2025. This electric luxury SUV has been making waves in the automotive world with its blend of opulence, capability, and sustainability. Let's dive into what makes it so special. Visual: close-up shots of the vehicle's exterior, highlighting its sleek lines, signature grille, and LED lighting. The Range Rover EV's design is a perfect blend of modern elegance and classic Land Rover DNA. Its aerodynamic silhouette and premium materials give it a sophisticated look. The LED headlights and tail lights provide excellent visibility and add to its futuristic appeal. Visual: shots of the interior, focusing on the luxurious materials, spacious cabin, and advanced tech features. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of luxury. The Range Rover EV boasts a spacious and comfortable interior with premium leather seats and ample legroom. The infotainment system is intuitive and features a large touch screen for easy navigation and entertainment. Plus, the advanced climate control system ensures a pleasant driving experience in any weather. Visual: shots of the vehicle accelerating, driving off-road, and charging. The Range Rover EV delivers a powerful and refined driving experience. Its electric motors provide instant torque, allowing for quick acceleration and effortless cruising. Despite its size, the EV handles remarkably well, thanks to its advanced suspension system. The vehicle's range is impressive, making it suitable for long-distance travel. Plus, its fast charging capabilities mean you can get back on the road quickly. Visual: shots of the vehicle conquering challenging off-road terrain. Land Rover is synonymous with off-road capability, and the Range Rover EV doesn't disappoint. Its advanced terrain response system provides various driving modes to tackle any challenge, from mud and snow to sand and rock. The vehicle's high ground clearance and powerful electric motors ensure it can conquer even the most demanding trails. Visual: shots of the vehicle's features, such as the autonomous driving capabilities and advanced safety systems. The Range Rover EV offers several unique selling points. Its autonomous driving features, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, make long journeys more relaxed. The vehicle's advanced safety systems, such as blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking, provide peace of mind on the road. Visual: a final shot of the Range Rover EV driving through a scenic landscape. The Land Rover Range Rover EV 2025 is a remarkable vehicle that combines luxury, performance, and sustainability. Its impressive range, advanced technology, and off-road capabilities make it a compelling choice for those seeking a premium electric SUV. If you're looking for a vehicle that can do it all, the Range Rover EV is definitely worth considering.